Mga kapatid, may mga boses po sa buhay natin na ang gusto ay umunlad, sumaya o umangat po tayo. Meron naman din pong mga boses na nag-e-enjoy para pigilan tayo para lumago o umunlad sa buhay o maski sa atin pong pananampalataya. God's language and heart is to see us growing, to see us moving out from sickness to health, and maybe to see all of us crossing our path from being nobody to an experience of a blessed life. Our first reading today from the first letter of Saint Peter. Let us see how Saint Peter preached his words and how he stirred up and even how he reminded the people that you are no longer a slave or a misnomer. Pero dahil kay Jesus, pinili kayo, ginawa kayong kagalang-galang, kinaawaan kayo, at lalo't higit sa lahat, minahal kayo. And we heard today this story of the blind man of Jericho, Bartimaeus. Madami pong ang pumipigil para ipahayag ni Bartimeo yung kanyang pangangailangan na mahilom ni Jesus. But Jesus wanted to call him, to see him, and gave him another chance to see and enjoy this life. It will always be that battle. Those who would want us just to settle down for less, and those who would like us to see us growing and embracing God's gifts and God's graces for us. God wants us to be better, and that's for a very fact. And these words and stories of our readings today are here to remind us that God desires our growth, our healing, our renewal, and at least that sense of pride for ourselves. Habang may mga boses na pumipigil para tayo ay lumago o di kaya para tayo ay mapunta sa ating mga paghihilom at para tayo ay gumaling. May Diyos na malakas ang puso para tayo ay tawagin at tayo ay hilumin. May gusto man pong bumagsak, mambagsak o manatili tayong wala. Para kay Jesus, deserve po natin ang bagong pagkakataon, ang paghihilom at ang paglago. We never heard how God and those people condemned people for what they have done. But they stood with them and gave them assurance that everything will be fine. Let us ask for this grace and let this be our prayer for this Mass. That let us be voices who will not threaten the life of people or the lives of people, but voices that will encourage and inspire them. People who will not say, stop explaining or stop expressing what you are feeling or what you need. But let us be disciples who will say to others, take courage, get up, Jesus is calling you. Rather than of seeking lesser growth for others, let us be inspired how Jesus called Bartimaeus, how he healed him and desired nothing but the best for him.